irrespective of what it actually means in the context of this game. We're not going to know that for an hour or so yet. It will have been celebrated in South London, and it will have been celebrated on Merseyside.
And if you're going to score a goal like this, do it somewhere like the Etihad. What a hit.
Well, that's blistering, even in slow motion. So they now have a platform on which to build Crystal Palace. Will they be able to hold on for an extraordinary win? That's Bernardo Silva. Sane. And Silva turning Nico Wan-Bissaka in the situation. And he has a maturity way beyond his years. Brilliant reader of the game. And back he comes again from Otamendi. What you can guarantee is that if Palace are to hold on to this 2-1 scoreline, they will face the stiffest defensive examination. Gundogan. Sane. And a play for another corner. He's 7 to the half.
Such a good run on the majority of occasions. Actually, you can get the ball to Sterling, one against one with Van Aanholt. That might be better. Wan-Bissaka's a very good one.
Sane's ball